Hi there! In this video, we'll be discussing homemade remedies for irritated eyes. We all experience eye discomfort from time to time, whether it's due to allergies, dryness, or prolonged screen time. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter eye drops, why not try some natural and soothing solutions right at home? Let's dive in. Solution number 1. Cucumber slices. You've probably seen this in movies or spa treatments, and there's a reason for that. Cucumber slices have a cooling effect and can help reduce inflammation and puffiness around the eyes. Simply cut 2 slices, place them over your closed eyes, and relax for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next up, we have tea bags. Not only are they great for a warm cup of tea, but they can also provide relief for irritated eyes. Steep 2 tea bags, preferably chamomile or green tea, in hot water, then let them cool once they're comfortably warm. Place 1 tea bag over each eye for around 15 minutes. The natural compounds in tea can help soothe redness and reduce eye strain. Moving on to solution number 3, cold compress. This is a quick and easy remedy for soothing irritated eyes. Simply wrap a few ice cubes in a clean cloth or use a cold gel pack. Gently place it over your closed eyes for a few minutes. The cold temperature can help constrict blood vessels, reducing inflammation and relieving discomfort. Last but not least, we have rose water. Known for its calming properties, rose water can be a refreshing and soothing solution for irritated eyes. Soak a cotton pad or ball in rose water and gently apply it to your closed eyes. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and enjoy the rejuvenating sensation it provides. To conclude, these homemade remedies for irritated eyes can offer quick relief and comfort when your eyes are feeling tired, dry, or irritated. Remember, if your eye discomfort persists or worsens, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.